Hi, my dear friends, please pay attention to the screen behind me and watch this.
You have a camera. Where is it? It's control. Get out of control. I can't find it. It's in the top one. It's moving. Hurry up, it's moving. What's it? No, it's going. It's your arm.
Now, is this real? Is it fake? Is it real? Doesn't matter. This is just out, right? A few minutes ago, all flights grounded after major system failure sparks travel chaos in the United States. I mean, a few months ago, we had the internet down, WhatsApp down. No doubt in my mind that aliens are testing our sophisticated, so-called sophisticated systems. This is major. Lots of UFOs have been spotted over nuclear plants, nuclear submarines, and so on. They're doing something. They're testing us.